Alright. In case you're wondering why the view is a little weird, it's because y'all are on glasses cam right now. But, anyway, just got through making a video. Me singing Daddy Never Was Cadillac Time while driving his old truck. Y'all make sure y'all go check that out. But on a lighter note, welcome to the new edition to Bama Ballistics. Bama Ballistics. But anyway, I got plans for this old truck. I'm going to bring it back to its brand new glory. Try to anyway, best I can. Now, this is actually a repaint. Because y'all know, y'all Ford owners anyway, know how damn Ford white paint does. Because they can't paint white for shit. But, anyway. Oh. I got a buddy at work, might hook me up with some parts. He says he got one, but I'm eventually going to bondo these holes in. You see, what used to be here was tie-downs that came off of a different F-250 that was blue, believe it or not. I'm going to bondo these up. I'm going to do my best with the dents and the scratches and try to give it a whole new paint job. Because I ain't with that patina bullshit. Alright, y'all know me. I done got one video about it. If you're going to paint something, paint the damn vehicle. Alright? Just quit all that patina bullshit and paint the damn vehicle. And it's going back white, so there really ain't much need to do a whole lot of painting in here besides maybe the trim right there. Where it's done, that kick panel done had the shit kicked out of it. Something's up with the headlights. I don't know if the switch went bad and shorted out or what. Because Dad said the cabin was filled with smoke one day. And he came out here and pulled the battery and they worked on it, him and my cousin. I don't know. If y'all seen that video a while ago, the engine light was on, but there's nothing seriously wrong with it. Like, it still kicks like hell. Y'all should have heard that damn six-cylinder stroking. All up and down these hills down out through yonder. I mean, needs a new radio, I think. The factory radio might work. The speakers are probably dry rotted like crazy. And in his later years, Dad stayed strapped. I actually found some 22 LRs in the glove box. A whole box of them, minus enough to go in his revolver that he kept right there. And of course, some tools over yonder of mine and the rope from a past venture shortly after he died. I don't believe the air conditioner works. I know the fan don't work because that sumbitch is a paycheck. Believe it or not, the fan, the blower motor to go in this damn thing is like $300-400. I looked, but the other kick panel over yonder needs repainting. Oh, the dash got a crack in it somewhere right there. Got one crack in the dash. F-Series over yonder needs re-chroming. Yeah. Just little minor nitpicking stuff other than the seat. Yeah, that could use a little attention. Of course, I'm going to do that myself if I can find enough leather in yonder. Door panels need repainting. Ain't none of the interior cracked except for in that one spot over yonder, which I think Bondo will fix that right up if I ain't mistaken. These obviously ain't the factory mirrors. I might have to find me some of them. That rear view mirror. Tell you all a little story. Now this will make you believe in ghosts if you don't believe. See that barn down yonder? See that camper right there? I live in that camper right there. But Dad always wore his maintenance blues for years after we moved up here, because that was his job for 40-something years, and he got used to wearing it every single day. Y'all excuse me for a minute while I go down here and get me a beer. But, matter of fact, I'll tell you from a better point of view while I'm thinking about it. Oh. But anyway, in the dream, I was standing right about where my camper sits right now, and the camper wasn't there. I was just kind of floating out through yonder, like first-person view. And this was a couple of days, maybe a week after he had died. And I wasn't even thinking about that truck. That was like the last thing on my mind at that point. And in the dream, I seen him standing there in his work blues, standing in that shop door down yonder, that barn door, and he was pointing up to a shelf. And I heard him clearly say, from that far away, and he wasn't hollering, he was just talking. I heard him say, "You finna need this, boy." There it is. He looked dead at me when he said it. And I had no idea what he was talking about. Well, went down there to take a video inventory one day, because there was some he said, she said bullshit. But anyway, I said, I got to find out what he was pointing at while I'm down here. And I looked, and on a box, or on a shelf, there was a box. And it was the only thing I couldn't see inside of. So I pulled that box down, and guess what's in that box? The rear view mirror to go right there that he never could get to stick. But anyway, I don't ever remember him putting it there. I have no idea why he would separate part of the truck from the truck and put it way down yonder. But apparently he did. So if I don't make you believe in ghosts, I don't know what will. But anyway, he was having a problem with his dual tank system, and it seems to have fixed itself. You know, they worked on it and they never could get it right. Dad and a couple other people. He even had the bed slam up off of it. But it seems to be working now. I'm eventually going to... I can't make up my mind to replace these or just get rid of them and bondo the holes or what. I don't do much truck stuff anyway. Yeah. There's a lot of bondo work needs doing on this thing. A lot. And a lot of re-chroming too, apparently. Because that is not supposed to be white. That's supposed to be chrome. But y'all listen to this. Now keep in mind, I'm going to be 36 in a couple of months. And this truck is a month younger than me. And listen how easy it starts. That thing. Oh. Y'all listen to that. No skip. No smoke. Nothing. It's steaming a little bit because it's cold outside. Well, kind of. Hold my beer, Chevy. Well, that wasn't unhooked. I don't know why it's unhooked now, but it wasn't. Let's go. You know, it shrunk up away from it. That's why. But anyway, I wish I'd have known that. At least put it back in line. Keep the rats and whatnot out of it. There we go. Get back on there. I guess it got cold and shrunk away from it. But y'all listen. It's got a bit of a whine. But keep in mind, the head has never been off of this thing, ever. He's changed the valve cover gasket. That's the closest it's came. I think he changed the valve cover gasket. He changed the clutch. That brand new shiny's a fuel filter, I believe. Other than that, the only things that he's worked on over this truck's life is what you see. Needs a little brake fluid. Low side. No coolant leaks. Nothing. And that rusty sucker right there ain't but a couple years old. That windshield wiper motor, I don't know why it's rusty like that, but so, I mean, there really ain't no drivetrain work to be done. None. All this truck needs to bring it back is nitpicking shit like this. And the paint. And some re-chroming. And the headlight circuit burn out. And he had, knock off KC lights up here, but both of them broke off. I've actually got an air horn I'm about to put on here. It's down yonder on the tractor. But hey, dang. Good. Get away from there. Put that back on there like it goes. But anyway, this is it. Oh. And the wipers do work. See? Oh. Needs a piece of trim back here. Headliner. I don't remember if the inside light works or not. Apparently not. Oh. None of the lights work right now. Except for the engine light. It was just on. Well, the brake lights work. I think they do. What? Oh. Yep, they work. Oh. Oh. Turn signals work on that side. Got one in the back. Got one in the front. It was out. I don't know what the hell happened, but anyway. And no, that's not Dad's GPS. It's my old GPS, which I use for a speedometer because that one's iffy at best. But anyway, there it is, y'all. One of the not so new additions to my fleet, which that one ain't mine. Those two Crown Vics down there are, but that one ain't mine. You can tell that one ain't mine. Anyway. And of course that Ram 50 right there ain't mine, but y'all look forward to watching me work on this thing. But until then, y'all take it easy, have fun, and be safe.